everybody, welcome back to my channel and another Meet the Bags video. Today I want to introduce you to the Martini crossover bag. This is a brand new designer. The company is called Sew Yours Patterns. This is an amazing pattern. Let me show you some of the features of this bag. It's a good size medium bag. It's completely customizable. So you don't have to have this front zipper pocket if you don't want, but if you wanted to have that and you wanted to add one on the back, totally can. On the front and back, it has two slip pockets here. You can decide if you want it to be like one big one on the back and two small ones, or two big ones, or as I've done, four small ones. Yeah, the shape on top is amazing. It's got a recessed zipper. And on the inside, it's got a zipper pocket and two slip pockets. A little hard to see the size of the bag because it is black inside, but yeah, I just love this bag and I am adding it to the Beans Bag catalog. So if you would like to order this bag in your choice of colors and fabrics, you know what to do. All my information is below. Shoot me a message, check me out on social media, and we'll get this all planned for you. Thanks, everybody. Bye.